you can reach, then go for it.
I can do anything that you want.
No, you can't. It's a lie. There's should be 2 bottles of water and a bottle of Coke in there.
What would you like?
If you can get the water, then go for it.
Yeah, good choice.
Is that what you can get to?
Got a bit of an issue though. Space issue. Put your cup there.
Thanks.
Welcome. Oh, it's a screwy lid. I thought it was a flippy lid.
You'll be there for a while.
I was looking for the flippy bit.
Thanks.
Can't spell it.
Good, will do.
Hill descent on Rob. Yeah, still learning how to say it.
Oh wow.
Go through.
Yeah.
Lights flashing now, that must mean it's working.
I like that. Light's flashing. It must mean it's working. This looks muddy. Yeah. Oh. Did the brakes show because they're holding it on the brake, or do the brakes show because Hill Descent uses the brakes? It's like, are my brakes showing? Lights showing right now? Do you think?
I would like to think so.
I like where you're looking.
Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't know if I could see reflection.
Just makes you wonder. Because everybody's is, and it's like.
But who's hovering over a brake pedal?
Yeah, because it's like my foot. Look.
Yeah.
It's like my feet couldn't be further away from the brakes. Short of me crossing my legs.
You can hear it working
Yeah,
away.
you can. It's interesting that it can when it's because this must be quite slippy.
Yeah. You can hear it drumming away.
Can't you? It's interesting how it must work. I like the fact that I can trust it now, because I used to always be going for the brake, didn't I?
Yep.
And it's like now I'm not.
It's so clever.
It's like I've literally got. I couldn't have more trust in it if I tried really.
No.
You can feel it slipping.
You just know if it starts slipping with this, you've got no chance.
No. I just mean like.
It's just how much control you've got in a normal car. This would be sliding all over the place.
You wouldn't stand a chance, would you?
No.
Ooh, sploosh. Yeah. Tickle sploosh.
I was going to say, I think ever since we got the brake fluid changed and brake pads, discs and everything, I do think it's working better now.
Gotcha.
Good old hill descent. Drum.
That's quite cool, I know.
And that.
Just how steep that is.
It's just how controlled it is.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely a little bit wetter than last time, isn't it? Thank you!
Sure.
Little's just having a play with the mic.
So sweet, isn't she?
Off with Sam as we drive past. He likes to have everybody's lights on. Don't want to blind Tony. Give him a flash as you go past. Your lights, preferably. The lights on Tony's motor, he'll have permanent eye damage. I've got them closed.
We need some more lights.
Okay, Rob, keep right, probably best.
That guy was 100% like Freelander.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This is Imber, isn't it?
This is Imber, yeah.
can, people, either side of the road.
In here.
Yeah, as long as you don't hit the concrete blocks.
Squidge just there. Because 4x4.
Exactly. One life liver.
Oh wow, it must be a big puddle up there. Judging by that sploosh.
Wow.
I'm slowing down because it's car. That car stopping? What was that car doing? Oops. That was a bit deeper than I planned. I suddenly thought I can't see where that car's gone.
How do you think the air filter is?
Yeah, a bit wet.
So I can't see anything. I don't know why we've got a puddle of water just sat on our bonnet.
I don't know. It's working its way up the
Exactly. It's defying gravity.
That was a good sploosh.
Thank you, Imber.
It was nice to see you. See you again.
Yeah. Be back again another day.
No.
Hey, Rob.
That's Rob.
I am on my way. Let them drop one of the crayons, so we had to stop and pick them up a minute.
Oh, bless.
Hey, well, just keep on coming.
Just dropped the crayons.
That was a different colour.
Yeah, this is the stuff I hate. It's clay. We're now into that clay stuff.
It's the stony stuffs.
This is the stuff that sets.
Yeah.
Do you think they've been through the water?
Yeah, it does look that way, don't it?
Yeah.
It's been swimming.
I like the way he was drying his bits off. Rather his vehicle parts off.
Those bits.
I've been his mass sensor.
Oh.
That's why we don't go through there today. Because if that's having issues, that's
Newer vehicle though, isn't it?
That's someone that's gone up.
Just to confirm, you recommend the Ford Ranger for greenlaning? Seen them out before. One followed us round not so long back. I was lifted though.
They've got 3 there.
What, as in stolen? Do what, sorry? Stolen, lifted. No. Bloke owned it.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, could you imagine going through
Actually,
there?
no, that looks quite a lot deeper this time. Last time it didn't look too bad, did
All
it?
over up here, and I think that'll do for the day.